Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you so much for joining me today. Right now, I'm just loading the drape. For my base layer, I have that Play It sequin. I'm also using two-way stretch and sequin. These panels come from Amazon and CV Linens. Okay, I'm measuring, but I'm measuring a little bit too early because I should wait till the crown goes on. So I kind of jump ahead of myself and try to put the picture frame on, but I should wait, and you're gonna see me put this on and then take it off because the crown needs to go on first. So I'm taking the crown through the drapes and on up. I use these S-shaped hooks. I zip tie it to the bar. And so after I did this, then I should have went ahead and kind of measured my drapes and made sure they were nice and even on both sides. Okay, so I got the crown. You get what you pay for. I got the cheaper crown, and this crown does not have where you can slide the drapes in. The one that's more expensive does have that little, a little opening for you to slide the drapes in. So I have to pin these two sequin panels to the crown. Now the method I use for putting on a crown, I believe this is the cheapest method, but there is another method where they use two crossbars in order to put their crown on. This one is very inexpensive, but it is probably not the perfect method because it does have like a little lean forward. I just made my pole cover. Now I'm just beginning to gather the drapes. In the middle, I'm keeping it nice and straight. Also for the sequin drapes, those are 8 feet long. Some of my older panels, I just stick those in the middle and I'm able to cover up the length of those. So now, as you can see, when I went to the white and the baby blue, I'm swagging the fabric, giving it some drop, some looseness. Doing the same exact thing to the other side. Now I want to add a floral piece in the middle, so I bought this foam cage from Amazon and I put some ribbon around it. That was not the best way to add the ribbon because I couldn't secure it tightly. So I kind of threaded the ribbon along, like through the cage, and that I was able to like secure the ribbon to the cage a little bit better, the foam cage. So I'm just making everything nice and neat at the bottom. This is how it turned out. I absolutely love the outcome. This reminds me, it is one of the princess that has baby blue and white. I can't remember. Is it Snow White? And this definitely works for King Sierra or Sweet 16. Please let me know what your thoughts are below. I got those centerpieces from Amazon. Make sure you share your thoughts below. Until I see you next time. Bye.